Hi, my name is Vas and welcome again to my channel. Today in this video I want to show you how you can achieve the best results when editing your drone images. So let's say you've flown your drone, you took lots of images and now you want to get the best results from your photo, and that's when it comes to edit your photo. It's really important. And in this video I'm gonna show you how you can edit your photo so they can look professionally good. And for this you'll need access to any editing software, ideally Adobe Lightroom Classic, because I'm gonna show you using this software. So let's have a look on my laptop, and so let's have a look now. And before we move forward, do not forget to subscribe my channel, thumbs up as well. If you have any questions, ask in the comments. I'm really happy to help you. I also build a community board for DJI pilots. You can have a look in the description, and the link is also in somewhere in the corner. I'm gonna post in the corner somewhere so you also can have a look. Let's crack on. So that's the photo I'm planning to edit in this to show you as well in this video, and it's on Adobe Lightroom. Cool, so that's the photo. It's pretty normal photo which is coming from every DJI drone, in my case DJI Mini 3 Pro. Looks alright. It's a bit dark to me, it looks like it's not edited, and I always shoot in RAW because it gives me better control when it comes to editing this photo or any photo. Cool, so if you're using Adobe Lightroom, basically you can just click auto and the software, it does it for you, and you can see the difference. So that's the difference, and that's after. It looks a bit edited, a bit of color added, nothing that fancy. If you want to go in depth, you just click develop, and from here we're gonna take over. Cool, so first thing we need to have a look if this photo is overexposed or underexposed, and you can adjust this on here. In my case the photo looks pretty good. I don't need to add too much exposure, maybe a bit, but I'm gonna have to increase a bit the contrast and the highlight. So look, the highlight, probably bring down the highlight a bit. Cool, because sometimes see in the corner here, the roof of the buildings looks a bit overexposed. Now we can bring up the shadow a bit, because on this side is a bit darker, so we need to make sure it looks accordingly. The reason also why it looks dark on this side is also because the sun on the day, the sun has been more on this side of the photo than on this, so that's why this side looks a bit more brighter than this side. We can increase the black if you want it, or you can decrease it, it's up to you. Depends on what you want to highlight. I will probably leave it a bit like this, so let's have a look. I'm happy, I'm really happy. I still can see the details of them houses. Now we go down. I would love to increase the clarity so I have more details on this photo. So let's increase the clarity, and there you go. When you zoom it, and let's have a look at the difference. Looks pretty much the same. Definitely looks pretty much the same. We can have a bit of texture and a bit more clarity. It's really slight difference, but you don't need that much. I'll bring it back. Looks good to me. Saturation, let's have a look. If you want your photo to be really colorful, you basically can increase the saturation, and if you go all the way up, basically your photo will gonna look like a paint. So don't go really mad. We're gonna go just a bit according to the day. So to me it looks alright, much better. So again, let's have a look. Let's have a look again after. That's it. Come on. So that's the difference. Well, you can see it. We're gonna scroll down. You can edit and color grade your photo using them wheels as well. I don't really edit them or touch them, so I'm gonna still scroll down. Sharpening, we can add a bit of sharpening. I already added a bit of clarity, so I don't go mad on sharpening. And denoise, if your photo is really noisy, you can click on this and Adobe Lightroom will denoise the photo for you. Also, let's go down, and basically this function is really funny one, because if you click, you can transform, basically you can transform the photo the way you want it. If you want to tilt it, you want to rotate it, or you want to zoom in or scale it, you can edit everything through this function. I usually click auto and the Adobe Lightroom does it for me, which I'm really happy. And that's pretty much my edit on this particular photo. I don't need to go really mad. It's only for me and for social media. It's not really a landscape or something beautiful. I just want to make it look natural. That's the most important when you do editing your photo. If your photo doesn't look natural and it's not like a brilliant landscape photo, it could look a bit dull. And this function, if you want basically to highlight something, maybe you want to highlight a building or anything like a big subject, you basically can highlight this point. I will gonna leave it to 0 because I don't need to highlight anything. Everything is highlighted in the entire photo. And that's pretty much how I edit my images. When it comes to editing images using my camera, it's a different story. I do use like 2 or 3 software to edit my photos, depending what kind of photos and for what I need to edit them. And yeah, that's pretty much all I want to show you in this video. Again, if you enjoyed this video, thumbs up as well. Any questions, ask in the comments. This photo I'm gonna share on my DJI community in the description, so you can see it and you can zoom it and have a look at the details. And again, thanks for watching this video, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.